Okay, WWF adoption kit order form. This time we're going to work with the table. So this is what we're going to create now. When we go in here, this is what we got so far. I'm going to zoom up so you can see what we're doing. We're going to go ahead and pull in the text, file, place, order form assets, text for table. Open this. I'm going to click and drag approximately where we're going to be placing it. Okay, not very pretty, but that is okay. Let's see. This text frame is currently 3.37 inches. It's going to be a little bit wider, so let's go like 375. We'll go 3.8. We'll just start there, 3.8. Okay, so it's going to fit somewhere in here. Okay, so we need to put this text into the actual frame at this point. So let's select it all, and we'll go to table, convert text to table. We're going to use a tab as a separator. You can tell there's an item tab, quantity tab, and you can always go into your type and show those characters if you wish. Row separator is a paragraph, and not worried about the basic table. We'll just let that go because we're not setting up any style for it. Hit OK. There we go. Okay, we can't see the information in here. Let's go ahead and turn this on for a second. Show hidden characters. Oh, let's check our view. Maybe screen mode. Yep, let's go to normal. Now you can see it. There's information that's not really showing. And for some reason, look at this. I've got the plus sign, so we're missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing a line in here. It's not big enough. Let's see what happens. If I click and drag this down, there we go. Now we've got all the copy. Let's go ahead and start moving this out. Whoops. Okay, double click. In here, I'm going to click and drag out the, okay. Should I start now? You can do this kind of in any direction or however you want to, but I know that this information, delete it, cut it, needs to go in here, and grand total needs to go in there too. So cut that, paste that. Well, that didn't work. Let me undo it a few times and find out why, because it grabbed the whole cell. I just want the text and nothing else. Cut, paste. Okay, this should fit on one line. Should we continue? Let's see what we're going to do as far as formatting goes. Let's try 9 on 10. Let's format it first and see if everything pops in. Now click and drag, or you can work out here with these arrows that show up at the corner that selects the entire table. And now let's see, we've got our font at the right size. Let's get grand total. That's too wide now. That's got to stop here. Let's move this over. Oh, I forgot to go and change the font. Let's go 9. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Let's go ahead. This doesn't have to be as wide. Let's make that a little bit narrower. And then we're going to come out here and pop this out to where we want it to end. Again, following the guideline. We're going to select these 3 columns, just one row of it. We can do a right click and we can distribute columns evenly. You can also go to the table menu up here to do this. So distribute columns evenly. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Now what else are we going to do? We'll make the first line of copy bold. We'll take, let's go ahead and center all this copy as well. Let's center. We're going to center all this text. Center. Okay. And let's see what else we want to do. I think we're going to add some gray rows in here. And then what else? Let's see. Looks pretty good, I think. So let's go ahead and select the whole thing. Going back over to the corner to select. And now we're going to go to table options, to alternating fills. And we're going to do an alternating pattern of every other row. Right now it's black, 20%. You can leave this as is or change this if you want to, the tint or the color. And we're going to go ahead and hit OK. And then take a look at it. All right. And this is awfully dark lines, thick lines. Let's turn this other stuff off for a second. I don't need the hidden characters. And if I change my view, that's awfully bold compared to the copy in front, on top, above it. So let's select this again. Okay, there we go. Select it. Let's go to, we're doing a table again, to cell options this time, strokes and fills, and we'll change the weight down to, 0.5. That would take all of them out, but go to 0.5, have a nice thin stroke, hit OK, and there we go. And that's our table, and we'll see how it's looking out so far.